hand comparison. Look at the little guy. He's so cute. Come on, you gotta get out of the way. I'm mowing the lawn. See, they got that cute little white stripe on top of his head. But the poor little guy's terrified. I'm mowing. He's here, or she, and there's like 4 or 5 of these little guys running all over the yard. So I'm in a little bit of a dilemma. I gotta make sure they're out of the way. Come on, buddy. You gotta get going. Look how cute he is, though. Beautiful. They must have just come out in the past couple of days. Happy spring.